Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Bitcoin update for 28th of October. And there's a question I want to ask, okay? Are we going to go all the way down to 54,000 first, or are we going to just turn things around, turn the table, kill the bears, kill the hype, kill everyone when they're fearful, then we go all the way to 72,000. There's a decision coming soon. Either we go to 54,000 in my opinion, or either we go to 72,000 first, and we're going to learn this. But before I start with today's video and talk about Bitcoin, I want to show you a clip from yesterday's video, okay? So I'm just gonna zoom in, play the full screen here, and listen to this carefully, what I said. And that's actually bullish. So now what I can say is you're having this thing as a level of support. If you break this, if you break 60,270, the next target you're looking at is 58,500. Okay, so do keep that in mind. Yeah, I told you. When you're breaking certain level of support, this was the support that I was talking about, okay? I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. I don't know how many of you were listening to me yesterday. If you really paid close attention to the videos, that's a profit that you can save from here to here. That's like a 2 or 3% profit, okay? Now 2-3% profit is for the Bitcoin, but the altcoins went even more way down, okay? Like they went like flying 10% towards the downside, okay? Some of them went 50%, sorry, 25%, okay? Now what's gonna happen today? That's what I want to talk about, okay? I'm going to hide the EMAs. Here, and this was your level of support right there, okay? First one was here. This was like 61,992. This was your next level support, 60,270. I said if you break this, you're looking for the next support, which is here. And in yesterday's video we did exactly the same thing, and right now we're holding this support right there. Do you see this line here? We're holding this line like a boss, okay? We're bouncing off of it. We haven't lost this support, okay? And I said you're looking for 58,500. Yes, Bitcoin actually went a small wick towards the 58,000, but it actually came and closed at the 58,550. Do you see that? Technical analysis, ladies and gentlemen, nothing lies. The chart, they never lie. They're telling you a story. Look at that. Okay, look at that. We have not lost. We are going logical. Now, on the 1 hour time frame, guys, in order for me to call the bears, okay, and I'm gonna go into the longer time frames to give you an overview and an idea of what can happen in the future, okay? Now, in the previous videos, the reason why I said this level is very important, okay, and the next level is this level, which is the 53 to 54,000 level, okay? Now the first reason is because this is a huge wall, okay? We have a huge area of influence in the past as well over here. This is the reason why I do not think that Bitcoin is going to go to 53 or 54,000. My own personal opinion is we're not going to go all the way down here because we're still fighting the 20 EMA. I'm going to bring the 20 EMA. Do you see the 20 EMA creeping up, okay? When you lose the 10 EMA, I'm going to actually bring in the 10 EMA. But before that, let me talk about the 20, okay? Now, the 20 EMA is moving up and up and up. Okay, we broke a little bit out of the 20. Now we have to retest it. If we actually fail the retest, if we actually break this wall right here, and another chart that I'm going to show you on the 1 hour time frame, if we break 2 or 3 things, I see a huge force, and I see a huge win for the bears. And I'm going to say, hey, Bitcoin doesn't have a chance. We're actually going to come to 54,000 region in here, and on the weekly that will be a little bit bad, okay? That will kind of mess up this 3 white soldiers that we were talking about, okay? I'm just explaining the charts for you, okay? I'm not doing my own explanation. I'm not doing my own emotions here, okay? This is a chart that I was talking. This is 3 white soldiers, okay? And for me, after 3 white soldiers, you really cannot like go below this. That's gonna be a little bit weird if it starts to go below this level. That actually kind of invalidates the three white soldiers. Okay, I'm gonna go back into the daily time frame again, and in here just be careful. Okay, be careful. So shifting back into the 1 hour time frame here, this is a pattern that I'm looking that is playing out for Bitcoin. Okay, we came all the way down from this level. We failed to cross the all-time high. That was a little bit difficult. I'm gonna take my fibs again from the top to the recent bottom, which was here. Okay, that was there, and you can already see we hit our 0.618. We never crossed the 0.618. If we crossed it, we would have moved to 72,000. But that was not the case. We didn't go to 72,000 because of course we never crossed the golden ratio. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit for you to clearly watch it. Okay, you cross the golden ratio, then you're good to go towards the 1.618. That hasn't happened. Okay, now on the 1 hour time frame, okay, we went all the way down. We've created something called as an a reversal wave. Okay, when you fail to hold the 0.618, when you fail to hold the 0.5, you're actually bound to go all the way down to 0.236 or create a huge reversal wave. Okay, we were potentially gonna make an up wave, but no, when up we reversed the wave. Okay, we reversed the wave. Now you have, if this is your bottom right here, if this is your bottom, okay, let's say this is your bottom, and I'm going to actually remove the fibs from this level. I'm going to undo everything. I'm going to undo all the drawings right there, and talk about the chart. Sorry, I've done too much. Go back to the 1 hour time frame again, and based on these charts, ladies and gents, okay, here's the moment of truth. You're consolidating on the 1 hour time frame, up and down, up and down, up and down. We haven't lost this level. If you see Bitcoin lose this trend line, okay, if we lose this trend line, we'll go down, fail the retest. That for me means that you've lost the wall itself, you've lost this level itself, and you have lost the 20 EMA on the daily. And that three things is gonna be so bearish for me that I think we're actually gonna go to 54,000. But unless you do not see this trend line getting lost, this one right here, expect that we're not gonna go down. And if I think this is your top and this is your bottom right here, let's say that's your top and your bottom, okay, it's not crystal clear. I'm gonna take the top here to the bottom right there, just like this, and we're trying to battle the 0.236. okay, we're looking to go back to 0.618 and beyond. Okay, so yeah, at the moment Bitcoin is still in a question. And if this is your downfall, what about the upper targets? Okay, what about the upper targets? I'm gonna extend these lines right here. I'm gonna extend that line right there, just like that. Okay, and I'm gonna take this line as well, and I'm gonna extend this one as well. Now Bitcoin has a lot of places to climb, and one more line here, one more line here. That is the last one. Yep, just like that. Okay, make it yeah, like this one. So if Bitcoin starts to go up, it needs to cross this area. It needs to go through this area as well, which is the 62,700 level. And from here, then you might actually have a hope that this was your bottom. Okay, then this could have been your bottom right there, right? Then you would have take the top here to the bottom right there, to the bottom right there, and that means that you actually cross the 0.618, and now you're reversing the trend towards the upside and go to the 67,000. You see 1.618 is 67,000, and that's where your top really is right there. Okay, and I see so many technical analysts saying that we have a head and shoulders on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, I'm gonna show you this head and shoulders, and that's the reason why we're screaming 54,000. So that's also logical. It might play out, but I personally do not think that this is gonna play out. Okay, this is your left shoulder, this is your head right there, this is your right shoulder, this is your neckline right here, and from wherever you're breaking out, you take the top to the bottom right there. This is the place you sorry. What happened? Yeah. Okay. So wherever wherever you break out, I'm going to take the top to the bottom right there. I'm going to place it right here. This is where you place it. You're gonna see a price target of 54,300. Okay, so if we ever even come back down, okay, I'm gonna show you the down scenarios. I'm gonna show you the downfall. Okay, this might play out. I'm not saying it couldn't play out, but personally I don't think so. Personally, until we do not lose the battle with the 20 EMA, I don't see any downfall. Okay, we have to win this battle, which I think, in my opinion, we're gonna win. Okay, and the next level of influence is this one right here. This was your last September dump. Okay, you come all the way down, you meet this level of support right there, which is this one. Okay, and from there for me, you also have the 55 EMA. The 55 EMA is also creeping up. Yeah, this is your 55 EMA. That takes you all the way down to 55 EMA. This is your next level of support right there as well. So 3 influences. Okay, the head and shoulder, the 55 EMA, the last swing high. 54 to 53,000 is an area that Bitcoin can actually come, unless if I go to the 1 hour, if and only if, I'm gonna repeat this, you lose this level of support, you lose the wall, and then again, I'm gonna say, okay, that's it, bye bye. You're losing the level, the fight with the 20. At the moment, I do not see anything like that. Okay, and before I leave this video, I want to show you on the channel. Okay, I want you to go and watch this video. $2 million is my next target price by 2026. all right, so do watch this video. There's more videos. Okay, I'm uploading every single video here, Solana, SHIB. Okay, some videos that I do not upload regularly, I'm doing all of this. In the future, if you want to come back and watch these videos, you can actually come back here in the channel. There's a lot of content as well to learn for you to trade. And yeah, so that's it. Keep up the good work, keep up the support, man, and keep grinding. Trade safely, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow with a new video update. Allah Hafiz.